Hey everybody, I'd like to do a video on the cabinet that I made for the back of my Jeep. It's got a spot for a 12-volt cooler fridge, a spot for camp stove. The camp stove that I have on order is a partner steel, Cook Partner 22-inch. They're all stainless. They're awesome stoves. I think probably the best on the market. I got the slide ordered for the fridge, and that's going to be a Dometic CFX 335. It's really all I can fit in here depth-wise without removing the back seat. I still have the back seat in the Jeep. Let me pull some of these drawers out. These are both on, this one and this one are both on 500-pound slides that are lock in, lock out. So if they're on uneven ground, they won't go back in until you use those levers to put them back in. And the secondary one comes out. This is where the stove will sit. I'll bolt it right down. It'll slide right in there, and that'll be its home. I also built a couple drawers for pans, silverware, knives, whatever you need for the kitchen. And guys, these are not that hard to build. This is all out of 5/8 plywood, and then I took and bought some Raptor liner. It was 2 quarts. It's a quart of hardener and a quart of the color. It doesn't even have to be black. It's the same stuff that they're using for the bed liners in the pickup trucks. And I just rolled it on, and you can't scratch it. The stuff is very durable. I'll do a video when I get the stove, and I'll do another video when I get the slide. I may wait till I get the fridge, but I will definitely do videos on both of them. And I also have the roto packs here up top to put the water in, basically just for washing dishes. And then here, I don't know if this was on the previous video or not, but I did finally get the propane tank mounted. If you guys have any questions on dimensions or sizes, I didn't do a blueprint of this, but I can certainly shoot you some dimensions. If you leave any questions down in the comments, I'll help you out best I can. There's also a space underneath here for folding table will slide right underneath of there. I have a subwoofer in this Jeep, so I didn't want to build it right down to the floor, so I lifted it up a bit. But yeah, if you guys find this video helpful or like it, I'd appreciate if you like it and subscribe. I'm going to have future videos, not just this, but other mods that I'm doing to the Jeep. I've got rock sliders coming. I'm going to do a rooftop tent. And if you guys want to see any other videos on it, I've got lots of mods on it that I really haven't done videos on, and I certainly would do some videos on them. Leave that down in the comments, but appreciate it. Thank you.